Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Calm. We will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Calm and you can click here, you will find it here on this page, Calm, like this. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and